Watch the Moon and Mars in April, April 16, 2021. In space, in the sky. This weekend, the Moon will cover Mars, as well as the conjunction of these two celestial bodies. The coverage can only be observed in Southeast Asia, but the conjunction of the Moon and Mars will be visible from almost anywhere in the world. How to see this shining duo? Read the article, What is coverage in astronomy? Coverage occurs when, from the observer's point of view, one object passes in front of another, obscuring it. There are several types of coverage, including covering by the Moon when our natural satellite passes in front of a star or planet. Star coverage is common, but planet coverage occurs only a few times a year. The position of the Moon in the sky differs depending on the location of the observer on Earth. This means that the covering of the Moon cannot be seen around the world. If for observers in one part of the globe the Moon passes directly in front of the object, then for the inhabitants of another part of the Earth it will be several degrees from this object. A simple example is a total solar eclipse covered by the Moon, in which the Moon covers the Sun. From the point of view of an observer from a specific location on Earth, the Moon passes in front of the Sun, blocking sunlight. How to observe the coverage of the Moon? The Moon's covering of Mars, which will occur on April 17, 2021, will only be visible in Southeast Asia. You can check the exact time of coverage UTC with the table from IOTA, the international organization coordinating observations of astronomical coverage. Remember to translate UTC to your local time. The IOTA chart between the white lines shows the area over which the Moon will cover Mars on April 17. The small area between the blue lines is where coverage will be visible at dusk, and the red dotted lines indicate regions where coverage will occur during daylight hours. The correct timing is very important for observing coatings. Schedule your future sightings with the Star Walk 2 app and its time machine function. Open the app, find the Moon, click on the clock icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the minutes or hours and scroll the slider on the right side of the screen to fast forward the time in the app and follow the path of the Moon across the sky. Please note that the Moon looks larger in the application, so it can cover Mars earlier than in reality. To avoid this, bring the Moon closer in the application. To do this, place 2 fingers on the screen and spread them apart. Moon and Mars conjunction. Even if you don't live in Southeast Asia, Moon and Mars April is still worth your attention. They will reach the connection on April 17 at 15:08 Moscow time, 12:08 Greenwich Mean Time. At an apparent magnitude of -11.0, the Moon will pass 0 degrees 07 south of Mars, which will shine with an apparent magnitude of 1.5. At this time, the lunar disk will be 24.1% illuminated. It is best to start observing early, the night before the event, so you can see how our natural satellite and the red planet will meet in the constellation Taurus. Even after the very moment of connection, they will still be close enough to each other. Both objects can be seen not only through the telescope lens, but also with binoculars and even with the naked eye. To track the trajectories of the Moon and Mars over time, use the same time machine feature in Star Walk 2. If you are not sure how to use it correctly, watch a short video tutorial on how to set the date and time.
How to set the time and date. To set the time and date, tap the clock icon, time machine, in the upper right corner of the screen and change the year, month, day, hour, and minute using the slide bar. To set the time and date without scrolling, tap and hold the time machine icon and set the parameters manually in the extended panel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to This Is Space channel.